tackle one of the most important problems in the insurance industry right now. So I actually feel very passionately about this problem, so we thought of taking this up for a weekend. So you guys have all started different startups in your life, and I know when we were actually going ahead with our customer discovery, we realized that a lot of founders actually face a lot of issues during the initial phase to get proper insurance quotations because of the very high risk associated with their organization. So what we have done is our main mission is to actually So our main mission is to actually take care of you so that you can actually build what you build the best and leave the rest to us. And so, we missed a slide. Yeah, so our main mission is to disrupt the entire insurance market by introducing allowing new startups to join the affordable insurance plans with bigger players in the market, which ultimately diversifies the entire investment portfolio of insurance firm. So this is our team, and unfortunately one of us could not be here for the final presentation, but two main points arise in this while solving this problem is why now, why this problem. Why this problem? I got one answer from most of the people that I've talked with. This problem is too boring to solve apparently. And why now? But then this problem might be boring, but when you look at the changing workforce dynamics and the rise of technology and all the awareness that the employees have right now about the things about employee benefits, so it makes a lot of sense to cater to these problems if someone wants to build an organization where they want to retain their the good brains and to maintain a very high employee retention rates. So for the purpose of this hackathon, we have focused on two main parts of this project. So one was the clustering mechanism that we have built a machine learning algorithm that helps us rank companies based on insurance. So we have different parameters on which we are judging some organizations, and we are clustering them together so that the investment risk is diversified. So that is one part of the MVP. And for the second part, what we have done is, and just by the way, before I forget, we club different organizations based on AHP and waiver policy, which is regulated by the US government. Can you go to the next slide, please? And for the second part, when an organization gets onboarded with our platform, what we do is, for the simplicity purpose and to maintain, in order to maintain security, what we do is the claims that needs to be settled by an insurance company. What we do, we use near protocol to encrypt and push all those chains up to the blockchain network. So in that case, if someone wants to tamper with it, if someone wants to mess up the data, corrupt it, it can be done. So these are the main 2 points that we have tried to solve, and only the insurance firm will be able to accept and reject the claims because it's we have a public-private security key pair associated with it. And so this is the technical architecture. For the ML recommendation model, we test, train, and predict, and we run the test and the train part every 15 days. So for now, it's going to be 15 days because we don't really have time that much, to be very honest. But once you look at the loading screen, when someone comes up to the landing UI page, basically the person is trying to create an interest in our organization. So what we get is the very basic details, that what's your company size, what's your annual revenue look like, what is the sex ratio in your organization, and we try to we push this data to the ML recommendation model, which predicts what are the possible insurance plans that you can go ahead with. And if the client is interested to onboard their data, they go straight to the onboarding module, which is very simple, very intuitive. Just upload the CSV data, we take care of the rest. We send it to our Postgres that's on the server, and that covers most of the part till the onboarding. But now let's say if a client wants to raise a claim, how does he do that? So that's taken care by the claims ticketing module. When a user raises a claim and we validate on our end, which I was actually talking to you actually regarding if we could probably integrate bricks, but yeah, for now we do the validations on our own, send it to blockchain, and it's done from our end. Next comes the insurer who accepts or rejects the claim. So that goes on the technical architecture side, And for the phase 2, we are also planning to, for the quarter 1, we are planning to onboard at least 10 small to mid-sized firms. And then once we have plenty of data, we can evaluate the model and tweak the hyperparameters to improve clustering techniques. And then we launch in the near future, we plan to launch a full-fledged web application for the insurers to track their tasks regarding the claims with us, and then roll out customer satisfaction dashboard and start evaluating for possible flaws and keep iterating over the feedback. So that's the plan. So I hope you guys join us in order to make this healthcare insurance industry cheap and accessible to every hardworking employee who are working with you. And now we can quickly jump to the product demo once.
Yeah, we just have a very small demo over here. Just try to build a small demo that we spoke about now. So whenever a user wants to buy insurance from us, then he just lands on this page, and then he quickly enters his company name and industry that it is. I'm just going to enter some company values for now, and then annual revenue is 10,000. And then the number of employees, the number of female employees, and then just get the quotation. So soon after that, once we fill up this thing, we actually see a lot of quotations that is being predicted by the model, and we actually click on the onboarding page. So once we click on the onboarding page, we directly go to the. Can you go to the onboarding page?
Yes, 1 second.
Yeah. So when we go to the onboarding page, usually the onboarding page will be completely huge for the company onboarding for the insurance. But we are just accepting a CSV file over here for the sake, and we are completely bulk uploading the thing, and that's it. That's for the onboarding thing. And once the user starts, let's say he encounters an accident or something, something like that, and then he raises a claim. So for now, we are just taking the total cost of the that has been occurred for the treatment, and then let's say it's 450, and then we are submitting that. So usually what happens is this claims has to be approved by legal team, or whoever the receipt has to be approved by the people from the insurance company. But we are not going to we haven't focused that because we don't want to bring a lawyer to hackathon. So and here once once the insurer gets the thing, he has his own dashboard, and he can enter his details and see all the claims that has been raised by the user, and you can see that 450, that's the claim that has been raised by the user. So this is getting stored on the blockchain. Yeah. That's the whole part of it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, guys, thank you. We'll take one question. Go ahead.